Yeah.
So tell me a bit about what you know about sand dollars.
Okay, well, what I know about them is, just to make it easy, because I don't know all the technical terms, it's kind of like a starfish, sort of. So they eat from the bottom, and when they're alive, they have little nubby hairs on them. And they're kind of like a brown color. And then when they die, all the hairs and everything fall off and they go white. Or maybe the sun bleaches them white, I don't know. But that's...
Why do so many die though? I mean, you find a lot.
I don't know, John. I don't know why they die.
And what do you do with them? Like, you collect them and then what?
Well, they're nice to...
They're nice what?
To look at. And sometimes I'll make them shiny, like I'll put clear nail polish on them. I have a few that I've spray painted gold, and I hang them up on the Christmas tree.
So put them on the Christmas tree ornaments, okay.
Yeah, but you have to strengthen them.
I think I just stepped on one. Actually, what did I stepped on, what is that?
That's a live one. So
I just stepped on a live one. Shit, I cracked it.
Okay, so this one is alive. It's hairy. I'm not sure if you can see.
It's going to die now. I just stepped on it.
That's right. So that one is alive.
Oh, Jesus. I feel bad today now. I'm going to hell.
But this one's got a bit of a... Again, I don't know what they eat or if they filter bad stuff out from the water, like impurities. I haven't a clue what their function is. But it's something, because there's a lot of them.
So you don't know what they eat?
No. No, I don't.
Okay. Well, maybe somebody can help out that's watching. And let us know what sand dollars do for a living. We're interested. Yeah, just out for our morning walk. Listen, we don't get much exercise on the boat. You got to get off the boat. Although there is quite a bit of, motion exercise. Good air. Not bad company.
Best company ever.
Sandy carries a dry bag with our electronics in it. Small. We got several different sizes.
Thank you, Wellesley.
I'm going to cut that part out. Now, this is where we're anchored today. And the Navicula is right over there behind a boat that's in my way right now. Look at that color. Oh, and the geography here. Imagine what's under this water. Wow. And we're back out of the trail onto this beach. Wow, there's a herd of people here this morning. Everybody walking. Dogs. Our car is high and dry off the beach. So here comes the task of getting it off the beach.